Y'all can see from the other video, the phone had died, so I had to end it like that. Today gonna be part 2. I gotta drop the gas tank and the brake line with the module, ABS module. This thing stripped down. So yesterday was a real wet and shitty day, so today we putting in everything else. Yesterday we dropped the motor in there. It's only in by the subframe, so everything else still has to get connected. The AC lines, heater hoses is connected. Everything is pretty much there. We just gotta put in like the transmission mount, the drive shaft, bleed the brakes. Chris over here putting in the carpet right now. It's a work in progress. We're still getting to it. I'm gonna be swapping the Chrysler dash over to that. I'll show you guys that in a bit. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and keep knocking stuff out because we're a little limited on time. I'll show you guys what it looked like in a bit. Probably do a little time lapse or something, put it in the dash too, but we'll see. Thing is coming along. I'm getting all the little side panels and everything in right now. We're gonna do the roof last, but he's gonna do that side over there, and then we're gonna put the back seats in. Put that panel over there, and then we're gonna figure out to do the dash, or if we're gonna connect the transmission mount, and I don't know. We still got a couple things on the list to do, but so far it's coming along pretty good, nice and smooth. Yeah, it's just been chill for real. Got the dash all swapped out. Just gotta put the radio in and, you know, pop everything back in. But I'm gonna do that once it's in the car. It's been a good 3 days. Hopefully today is the last day. We at least get her on, even if she ain't fully finished, but on. So I still want to button everything up, make sure everything's nice and tight where it needs to go. He forgot to put the plastic in, so you gotta take it. Chris must hate this one already. First we had the charger one in, and it didn't fit because the corner over here clips in a certain way. Then he put it in right and tightened everything down, you know, make sure everything was cool, but then forgot that part. Well, fuck it. How many times we did that already?
I
did that over there. I did the same. One more buckle left. And we could throw the scat seat in there. Right there. Yep, just like that. Almost there. These cars are like fucking Legos. Easiest shit to put together.
Hell yeah.
It's 18. Shit hit my side too. I just put that bitch on there. Good. Very good. Perfect. Time for the seat.
The clip.
Oh shit, go ahead. Good for you. Alright, got the bottom one. Now we're gonna go get the top ones.
That's it, right?
Then there should be one more. Oh, never mind, we got that one. Coming together. Alright, so boom. I was looking this up everywhere and I couldn't find nothing on it. By the way, we got some accessories going and all that. But I wanted to try this sunroof harness from my 2013 body harness. So the roof still got the factory 2013 harness on it. I wanted to try to see if the plug on that side, show them the plug over there, Chris. Pull the plug up. That plug right there. This part from here down is from the 2018 Scatpack. From here up is from my 13 300. So if you got a double sunroof, moonroof, panoramic roof, whatever you want to call it, if you got that, you could use your factory roof and harness with no problem. You don't even gotta take it apart. Yeah, I'm happy. That did it for me because I was stressed on that. But we getting there. I gotta swap the faces out soon. The radio don't line up with with the top part. With that part right there. That piece right there. It do not line up with it, so I think I need to get a 15 and up one. I have no idea, but we're gonna get there. I'm excited. Let's see. These are my 2013 doors and door panels and door harness. I did not use the Scatpack harness. And look, the windows work up and down. All of them. Let's do the back one. Damn. Let's see the other ones too. Ew. Damn. That's tough. I took the harnesses off the other door for nothing. Damn, that's good shit. Today we're having fun putting the drive shaft bolts in. Yo, I got a head, bro.
I like some head.
Put 'em. There you go. Alright. But yeah, we're gonna put this joint in. And then we're gonna go to the next clip. What you say?
That 309 though.
That diff?
That 309.
Yeah. Got that LSD, boy. Putting in all the glove box bolts. I don't know, but I'm down. Go ahead. Damn. That is different. Nice.
You have to rewire it.
I still gotta do the back regardless. Fucking turn all this shit off. Turn signal only. Alright, turn it off. Put the headlight. What the fuck you do? Okay, he fucking with me. His bitch ass fucking with me. Go ahead. Hey, I just gotta put the front bumper on it now. Turn her on. Pop the hood. Hey, they can pop the trunk. Oh shit, black tape. I'm gonna go take it for a spin now. Fuck out the driver's seat, boy. Get the fuck out my driver's seat, boy. Probably get in this joint when you out there with this joint. Damn, that front lip look good, nigga. What you mean? Look at that front lip. What you want, put the bumper on there?
I want to put something.
Come on, let's put the bumper. Fuck it. Let's put the bumper. Might as well. She already done. Now it's the test drive. I can't wait for that new front end to come in. Bueno, we out? What's up? We out? We out? Yeah, we out. Gotta get all this new shit.
It's recording now.
Oh, nigga. Then all that inside black shit just make it look crazy. Huh?
You.
Yeah. Yo, this shit feel different, bro.
Hell yeah, bro. This is another monster, bro.
Nigga, flat or something? I don't know. You know when the racing.
Yeah, when that smoke. Oh, wait. Hey, look at the fit. Oh, he got flat. That's what it is. Oh, damn, I was with the smoke. I'm with it, nigga. My brake joint keeps going off. It's first drive, by the way. We ain't drive it till right now. When I was pressing that joint, the cable kept coming on.
Oh, yeah.
That's probably what it is. It's probably stuck. Light went green. I said, hey, go catch me.
Fuck 12, man.
Hey, yo. Oh, man.
And we got almost half tank.
Yeah, that's all I said. I ain't no fucking slider, nigga. Well, we gonna learn in this, bitch.
I told you this gonna be easier.
Yo, that been moved, bro. Oh, you got scat bumper. It's just a V6.
Yeah, V6. Yeah.
The GT.
I'm trying to keep this shit up.